So the other day, I let my friend Charles ride my bike because we didn't want to use his car, and it's gonna be annoying. Yeah, his car has a little issue with the radiator, so we didn't want to take the car anywhere really if we didn't have to. Alright, I know you're a Prius, but you can go faster. Ooh, it's getting cooler. But yeah, he had a blast riding my bike. Gotta get his bike up and running so we can go out for some nice rides. Fuck. What you doing? Hey. Gotta show some appreciation to the other STs out there. Ford Focus ST 2016 is what I drive in white. Well, you probably saw it as I was coming out of my driveway. But fuck happened to my music? Let this car pass, then I'll cool. My music's not playing. I wonder if my phone commands work. Okay, Google. No, it didn't. I really need to look up the voice commands for the Sena headset. So, play music. No, it didn't work. So I'm just heading out to get some food right now. Oh my god. Had a lot to drink last night. A lot for me, not a lot for other people. Normally I have like 3 beers and I'm done. I had 8. I was thinking about going to the Habit. Habit, solid choice for burgers. They don't like waving. People on like Harleys and stuff, they don't like waving. I don't know why. It's just, they don't like waving to other riders. It bothers me. I'm not saying all of them don't like it, but a lot of them, like that guy per se. Obviously, I had to get out of there quick. Oh, is that Jordan? I'm not even going to work. He just it just happened.
You got it? I heard you that time, and I was like, was it him? I looked to my left at the light screen, you're halfway through the intersection, I go, God damn it, I'll never catch you.
Yeah. It's not even time for work yet, I was just getting food.
I'm here at 3:45.
That was fun. We shouldn't do that too many times.
Yeah, I know, right? We're gonna start scaring people.
Dude, we passed by the ambulance. He's probably like, what the fuck are these guys doing?
He's like, I'm gonna have to pick one
Yeah. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna go get some food. Yeah. Ow, 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 what the fuck? Ow, ow. Oh my god, ow. Oh, my leg. Oh, son of a... what the fuck? Ow. Ow. Why? Ow. Ah. Ow. Something. Ow. Immense pain. Ow. I don't know what the hell's wrong. Ow, but it hurts. Ah, fuck. Oh. Ow. Still hurts. Oh my god. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right. Oh my god. I'm still in a lot of pain. I don't know why, but I'm in a lot of pain around here, my inner thigh, Ow. Jesus. Okay, pain's going away. What happens if I flex my leg? Nothing. Okay, but it hurts like Jesus Christ. Oh my God. It's like something stung me. But it stung me and the pain just increased tenfold. Imagine someone stabbing you with a needle. Not like a tiny needle, but like a decent sized needle. Just jabbed you right in the leg. Imagine if it was extremely hot or something. Yeah, it was pretty bad. It hurt. It hurt a lot. As you can see, I had to pull over and hunch over, groaning in pain. People staring at me like, what the fuck is wrong with that guy? Go, please. Why are you going so slow? Oh no, this. Oh wait. There, guys. I just got done eating. Nice. I'm full. Oh, my leg still hurts. Jeez. That's not in my pocket. I just had a take two. So I just had a portobello mushroom burger, the char burger they have, with some fries and a strawberry limeade drink. What the fuck are you doing? Jesus. I just had a nice meal and I almost get hit by a fucking car. Well, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, like it. If you didn't like it, dislike it. Subscribe for more content. Hope to see you again. Oh my God. Yeah, hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Peace out.